Today we will see the different types of questions in the polynomial. So the first question is, which of the following is not a polynomial? So as we learned in the previous video, what is known as a polynomial, which contains addition, subtractions, coefficient, variable, exponent. Okay, so here you can see the 2x plus 3y is also a polynomial which contain coefficient, variable, etc. 4x square minus 7x1 plus 1 is also a polynomial. This one is also polynomial. Option B is also polynomial. C is containing root 2x, which is not a polynomial because of the root 2. So we can say that option C is not a polynomial. And D is also a polynomial which contains x cube plus 5x square plus 4x plus minus 7, which contains addition, subtraction, coefficient, variable and non-integers. So the option C is a answer. Okay, so root 2x plus 1 is not a polynomial. Second question is, if a polynomial has exactly 3 terms, what is saying exactly 3 terms, what is it called? So the monomial has a 1 term, binomial has a 2 term, and trinomial has a 3 terms. Polynomial is contain all of this, so the answer is trinomial. The option C is the answer, trinomial, because it contains 3 terms like x cube minus 2x square plus or minus 7 something equal to 0, which contain 3 terms, is known as a trinomial. So option C is the answer. Third question is, what is the degree of the polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square plus 7x minus 9? So how to find the degree of polynomial? If the coefficient of the variable, or we can say highest power of the x, is the degree of polynomial. So you can see here there is a x cube, x square and x. So what is the highest power of this 3 of this equation? Is a 3. Okay, so the answer will be 3. The highest degree of polynomial is 3 because the highest power of x here is 3 as compared to other. So option B is the right answer. Question 4. State whether the following statement is true or false. A polynomial of degree 0 is called a constant polynomial. Yes, it is called as a constant polynomial because the polynomial with no variable term expressed consists only of constant value. So our answer is true. Find the value of k in the polynomial x square minus 6x x square minus kx plus 9 if one of the 0 is 3. So what we have to do here, we have to put the value of x equal to 3. So x square minus kx plus 9 equal to 0. Put the value of x equal to 3. 3 square minus k into 3 plus 9 equal to 0. So 3 square is 9 minus 3k plus 9 equal to 0. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 3k minus 3k plus 18 equal to 0. So k is equal to minus 18 by minus 3, which is equal to 6. So our answer will be 6. Okay, so here we have to put the value of x equal to 3. Identify the coefficient of the following polynomial: 3x square minus 8x plus 5. So what is saying, what is the coefficient of polynomial, means identify the coefficient. And how we can identify? The coefficient here is x and the constant value next to the x is known as a coefficient of the following polynomial. So what is the next to the x is 3, here 8 minus 8 and 5. Okay, so our answer will be 3 minus 8 and 5. So these are the coefficient of the following polynomial. Find the factor of the factorize the polynomial completely. So how we can find the factorization of this polynomial? So first we write the equation given, 2x cubed minus 8x square plus 4x. So what is common here? We can see the 2 is common and x, so we can write here x square minus 4x plus x. Okay, now we'll see can we factorize this bracket value. So we can see here we cannot factorize, so our answer will be the 2x x square minus 4x plus x. So we can, the answer is here 2x. Okay, so this is the completely the polynomial. Okay, now further we cannot factorize, so answer will be 2x x square minus 4x plus 2x.